This is going to be a bit of a different video because in this video, I am not going to be professional candid. Like, no, this is like girlfriend Candice. Welcome back to my channel. Listen, it's here based on the title of this video. You know why you're here. My online masterclass is here. It is a celebration over here, okay? Of course, I have client makeup tutorials that will remain on the channel for free. The difference between those and my online masterclass is that the online masterclass goes over techniques that I've never shared before. It is a lot more in depth. I'm running the online masterclass the same way I run my in-person masterclasses, so you really get the nitty-gritty on everything instead of taking notes during the live masterclass and feeling like you gotta choose between taking notes and watching what I'm doing. With the online masterclass, you have full access. You can really learn at your own pace. You can pause and rewind as much as you like, and you can do it from the comfort of your own home. That's the true beauty of it. I've had this concept in my mind for years, and I just never did it because I was operating from a fear-based perspective and just overthinking it. Like, what if it doesn't do well? Honey, when I tell you I am in a space where I have never felt more free and more liberated and more alive, words can't even begin to describe, okay? I feel like a new woman. The things that used to worry me and cause me, this sort of anxiety, they don't bother me anymore. Cheers. Cheers to not allowing fear to run us. Cheers to being young, wild, and free. And when I say young, it does not mean age-wise. Young is a feeling. Look at Will Smith. He's like in his 50s and one of the coolest people. And that's another... My tarot. There's another announcement. This video was like a double announcement. I also started a tarot channel. I started studying tarot back in April of this year, and I'm pretty good at it. And yeah, so you can definitely follow me on Instagram, EyeCandyCandice Tarot. You can also find me on YouTube as well. I'll link my tarot channel in the description box of this video. This period of my life has just been one where I feel like I'm just checking everything off my list. I launched my online masterclass for beauty. I went to the studio and recorded a song, and I also launched my tarot channel. So I just really feel like I'm in a space where I'm literally just doing whatever the I want to do. And it feels so good. Cheers to me launching my online masterclass. Cheers to me launching my tarot channel on YouTube. Cheers to me recording my first song in a studio. Cheers to living fearlessly. Cheers to living our lives as if we only have 2 weeks left to live. If you knew that you only had 2 weeks left to live, how would you live your life? Would you still be mad at that person that you're mad at right now? Would you still be holding a grudge against that person you're holding a grudge against right now? Would you call your crush up and ask him out on a date? What would you do? And that's how I've been living my life lately. I have never been more fearless, carefree, productive in my life. It feels really good. Go ahead and sign up for my masterclass by clicking the link in my description box below. And yes, you guys have gotten me so many amazing opportunities just from you all believing in me, hyping me up, recommending me, the referrals, just everything. I mean, if there's a better way I can say thank you, please let me know down in the comments below, because I don't know, if me saying it just doesn't feel like enough. Like, should I like plan a meet and greet? What should we do? Should we have a Zoom party? What should we do? Thank you for all of the support. Just had this epiphany of I've been the one that's been standing in my way this entire time. And yeah, I don't know who needs to hear this. People are gonna have their opinions, okay? But none of those opinions matter. The only opinion that matters is yours, okay? So do you. If you don't do anything because you're scared about what other people are going to say, they're still going to talk. If you choose to live your life not giving a what people have to say, those people are still going to talk. That's just their job. Everybody has a job. And I figured out that my job is to live unapologetically, as freely as I can, make my ancestors proud, and to allow the gossipers, the naysayers, the haters to do their job. It's their job to talk. It's their job to hate. It's their job to be miserable. It's not your job to feed into it. It's your job to keep living fearlessly, unapologetically, and giving them a reason to talk. That's what your job is. So, can't say I never told you anything. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. And with that being said, I'm out. The link to my online masterclass is in the description box below. Even if you can't support monetarily, please support just by praying for me. Please pray for success on this new venture of mine. I'm just excited, and I'm so grateful that I get to share it with you all. And I hope you guys are doing well. Happy holidays, and feel free to catch me up in the comments. Go on in the comments. I'll meet you in the comments. Catch me up. Tell me what you've been up to. What have you been going through lately? What have you been realizing about yourself lately? What are you looking forward to in this new year? How are you trying to finish out this current year? I want to know it all. And I'll see you guys in my next video.